What's up YouTube, Naomi here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make the ultimate DIY mask to combat dry and frizzy hair. So the mask I'm going to be making in this video is a combination of a lot of different things, and each of these different properties does something important for your hair. So stay tuned and keep watching so you can see how I do it. Avocados penetrate your hair shaft to provide the ultimate moisture for hair instead of just sitting on top of the strands. Avocados are rich in vitamin B and E, which promotes hair growth, prevent breakage, and as well as dandruff. Honey is rich in antioxidants, which prevents breakage, hair loss, and also coats your strands to make your hair stronger. Olive oil moisturizes your hair and promotes a healthy scalp. In addition, it adds smoothness to your hair, and it is good at preventing split ends. I'm adding an egg yolk, which is rich in healthy fats and proteins, which also makes your hair stronger and able to withstand heat. I'm adding a few drops of tea tree oil because it's beneficial for your scalp as it prevents dead skin from building up and also stimulates your scalp for hair growth. Lavender oil because it's my favorite and it provides a calming scent which affects my overall aura and mood. I'm also adding Greek yogurt because it is good for your hair as a detangler and it also prevents frizz as well as promotes hair growth. Okay, so now that I have created my mask, I am going to drape this Deva microfiber towel around my shoulders so I don't mess up my shirt, and clip it into place like this. Now let's get started. Okay, so now I've applied the mask all over my hair. I honestly didn't have the best avocado to do this. You really want to make sure your avocado is ripe, but not too ripe, and mine was not ripe enough. It left this really grainy consistency all throughout my hair, but I figure an avocado is an avocado, and it's going to do the same thing, fingers crossed. So I am going to get my cap. And then let this sit for 30 minutes and I'll be back to show you guys the results. Off camera, I styled my hair with my Curl Theory leave-in conditioner as well as their multi-style cream. I used my Deva Curl Believe In to clump my curls together, and for my styler I used my Moroccan Oil Curl Control Mousse. After applying all of this, I sat underneath my hooded dryer for about 45 minutes, and as you can see here, I'm finishing it off with my blow dryer on low heat to dry the roots of my hair and give me some extra volume. And here is the finished product, you guys. My hair is so unbelievably soft and has so much definition and moisture from the mask. The mask added essential vitamins and protein to my hair, and trust me, you guys, your hair will definitely love you for it. As always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed and turn on post notifications so you know when I post new videos, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.